Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very quick, super express unboxing. This is something that's coming back from Latvia. I sent a knife in because a little screw broke, and I reached out to a particular gentleman, and he was kind enough to say, "Hey, let me fix that for you." Just want to give you my experience and see, how it came back, and let's take a look together and see how it goes. All right. All right, this box is coming in from Latvia. I'll never guess who it is from. It's from Nicholas, little company called, you guessed it. Actually, you know what? I want to open that with my other knife here. Give me a second, guys. It deserves a proper knife. Now, I normally would have had this out, but we were busy here getting ready for the live stream. So I'm going to open it up. Ooh, I put ink on this so you wouldn't see the information. And look at it, transferred all over to me. Moving up with my Cypress. So let's get into this guy. All right. Ooh, and as always, he always puts chocolates in there. That's so awesome of him. The Latvian chocolate, by the way, these are amazing. These are really amazing. So there you go. All right. And as traditional, you get your box right here. And I think this was my original box that I had. So let's see how it comes back. Oh, he did. He did. All right. So Zer-blasted finish, RWL 34, number 67, satin raw. All right. So I'd asked if he could do this. Oh my God. Thank you, Nicholas. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at the beauty of this boy. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's solid. It's solid. So crazily enough, and I don't think I've ever heard this happen, but I've seen it. His tolerances is so tight. There's a screw in there, and it just broke. It just broke. So you had to make a new scale for this thing. And I told him, just don't worry about putting anything on there. Just make it plain if you want. Make it easy. And he did. And look at this beautiful diamond pattern on here. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I love this. I love this. Even better than before. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I miss this beautiful blade. I have missed this beautiful blade. This is I love this knife. Forgotten how much I love this knife. Look at this, and oh, beautiful. Look at this here. Yes, so crisp and beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. Sorry, guys, having a little moment here for myself. Ah, just really enjoying this. All right, it's the same knife, but it's not. It got a super spa treatment. I will just tell you that, a super spa treatment. We took the black off, and I don't know if that had some issues with it, but all I can tell you, I think this is more beautiful than it was before. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you like black, his black anodization is phenomenal. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's top notch. I really, really, really do enjoy that. So, oh man, that action's beautiful. Wow. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. I'm just sorry. I'm taking it in here. All right, I was hoping it'd come back, working, be a nice knife, but man, it is even better. It's even better than it was before. Thank you, Nicholas, for fixing this and making this knife. I've missed this knife so much. I have truly missed this knife so much. This is one of my favorite knives. It really is. Ooh, I forgot how sharp it is too. Oh my God, it is so sharp, Nicholas. Dude, okay, just to give you an idea. You can shave with this, okay? You see that? Bald spot. You can absolutely shave with this. And look at that action. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Just beautiful. Simply, stunningly beautiful. I love this thing. Oh my gosh. Just fantastic. And if you didn't know, you clear the detent right there. Right? And then goes down. And just breaking it in. It's just so smooth. It's so buttery smooth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This. I feel like I got a brand new knife. I really do. Oh, I feel like I got a brand new knife. So gorgeous. Man, he does such an outstanding job. He really does. Just to put it in perspective, look at that. Now I've been using this knife. I just cut that box open, so I got tape on there. And it's not fair. You see stuff on the blade, so you're going to be like, what's wrong with the blade? Well, I just cut something. Cut a box open. So look at that. I love his stuff. That's the Cypress. That's the Cedar. Rob Johnson Knives. Got to go check him out. When he has some opening spots, you really need to consider it. Man, that Cypress, wow. That's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Even better than I could ever hoped it was. So let's do some zoom in. You guys definitely want to see this because this is worth zooming in on. All right, so let's see this beautiful blade. You've seen this before, but man, look at that polished, gorgeous look on that blade with the scales. It just pops. It pops even better. All right, then we're going to look at the scale over here. Beautiful diamond pattern. I love that. Now, it looks great in the black anodized. It really does. Don't get me wrong. The back spacer back here, love that nice high polish. The frame lock, very small frame lock, so easy to get your big old meaty thumbs up there for me. Love the clip back there. It's not going to get caught, but this is beautifully not sharp. Sorry, beautifully not sharp. And the texture on the clip as well. Hidden hardware. Nice deep pocket carry, as you can see that. Love the clip, easy to get in and out of. And it even goes right around that. I love that little touch there. So you're not going to get caught up on that. Now look at the beautiful milling inside. His milling on this knife is next level crazy stuff. This is the lightest frame lock I've ever had right here. This thing is so incredibly light. I feel like it's tight, like carbon fiber, super thin. But look at the milling he's done on here. It's just stunning. Lockup, we're at a good, I want to say 20, 25, 30% maybe at the most, right? Beautiful, nice cutaway, easy access, nice and chamfered. No issue with big old meaty fingers to get in there to release that, right? And you even have some jimping up here. Is it functional? It's aesthetic. It's aesthetic. I mean, you can feel it so you know where you're at. It's not going to really hold you. It's not super aggressive, you know, like wear gloves and go out and work in the woods. But, I mean, come on. Would you do that with this knife? I mean, maybe if you would, that's fine. And then jimping up here, really nice. Look at that. Yeah, really great. Really great. All right, this is outstanding. This is outstanding. All right, so make sure I give you a little look at that. Right up there. You see that? I think that's really outstanding. And then you got that up there. Really nice. Now, I can choke up here. I can absolutely choke up here. Do you see that? I can absolutely choke up. So look at all the room I have down here. If I just grab it here, I still have all this room here for my big old meaty fingers. So let's zoom out. So we get a nice, I call it money shot, whatever you want to call it, thumbnail shot. This is a beautiful knife. Look at the, by the way, I don't know. I got to focus on it. Do you see the step milling on here? I know Hog House, SPK, NCC blades. A lot of people do this, and it's always so beautiful when it's done so well. It's really gorgeous. I think so. Look at that. It's really nice, and that beautiful flow pattern right there. I think it's just gorgeous. Captive pivot, even a little mountains on top of there, which is very similar. You see, it's very similar to what you see right there, Rob Johnson's logo right there. I think that's absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm so happy to have this back. I am so happy to have this back. No minimal hardware, though. You don't see it anywhere. Look at that. There's some stuff inside. It talks about the blade, Cedar, number 67, right? So there you go. All right, so we're going to zoom back out. Just absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. This is a knife worth having in your collection. I think everybody should, you know, if you can, get one of these. I know it's expensive. It's definitely a work up to kind of grill knife. Trust me. I didn't get here overnight. It took me years to get here. And even then, it's small steps. You may think, oh, look at all these. It took steps. I've traded knives. I've sold knives that I bought. And over time to get to the next level. And it just takes time, right? It takes time. And I'm grateful to be able to have some stunning knives now. I really am. And this is one of them. So there you go. All right. Well, let me know what you think about this. This is a re-unboxing, first impression. I reviewed the knife. It's great. I love the knife. I've already reviewed it. I've recommended it. Fantastic knife. There's no question. This is even better than my review from before. Yeah, it is even better. It's even better. Wow. I like the black anodization, and I think if you collect multiple models or you really like blacked out blades, get the black anodization. He does an outstanding job. But if you like something like this, that's maybe a little plain, you can call it plain. I don't call it plain, because to me, this highlights the stunning work that he does with the milling and the precision work, everything. It just really, really highlights it well. And I love when something like that can look so fantastic. All right, guys, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe also consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the community, part of the live streams. Man, I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification button down below as well, so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to all my channel members out there. I appreciate you guys. You do two amazing things for me. You encourage me. You really do. With your support, I'm encouraged. I don't do this full time, and so your support just keeps me going because I love doing this, and it just makes me more excited to do it. So thank you. The other thing is you also allow me to do things sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to. You allow me to check out knives, borrow knives. You allow me to do weekly giveaways. Otherwise, I wouldn't really be able to afford all of that, right? And then you also allow me to, do the weekly giveaways, to check out knives, to just do more content. So thank you very much. I appreciate you guys so much. I just want you to know that. As a result of that, I want to do two special things for you. I do a once-a-month members exclusive giveaway. It's usually something above the budget banger, right? So I do a weekly giveaway every week, but on top of that, once a month, members exclusive giveaway. Something nice for you guys. Hopefully something you'd like to enjoy. Either you would enjoy or give away as a gift. So I like to do that once a month as well. And that's for you guys. The other thing is I like to give all new channel members a channel sticker and a little thank you note. So email me with your name and address if you're a brand new channel member, so I can mail you a little channel sticker and a thank you note. Basically, if you're an active member right now, you've never asked for a channel sticker, you've never gotten a channel sticker, email me your name and address, I'll mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. That includes brand new channel members, members who've been members all along, you just never asked, and anybody who was a member and then became a member again. Seriously, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. All right, I appreciate you guys. I really do. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. By the way, members, curious, want to be one? Check out the description down below. I have a link for 3 different tiers. Again, Instagram, robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, a great week. Bye.